Intense 5 time, what happened this week? Another state of emergency, this time in parts of Kingston. So in case the roadwork had you leaving earlier, you might want to change the time you leave home again. Yes, again. So he killed his wife and her daughter, dropped his son off at a friend, then drove into the Rio Cobre. Boy, it's a sad story. Very. Jeez. Let me talk about Queen Cardi. Let me talk about her and Milan Fashion Week. Girl, you are killing it.
Yeah, she look good.
Cardi and her outfits recently, she is going so hard.
Yeah.
Plus, she says that she'll be doing some plastic surgery in a few months. One thing with Cardi though, she doesn't hide anything.
Trust
and I
me.
love that she is so transparent.
Yeah, man. America's favorite dad is off to prison. Bill Cosby was sentenced to 3 to 10 years in a maximum security prison. He's 81 and legally blind, but he committed a crime, or so them say, so you gotta do the time.
And finally, holding the spot this week, Will Smith's birthday jump. Glad he made it. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at TVJ Intense.